Did you know that just 20 minutes of smart exercise can fix years of bad posture and boost your heart health? Watch how Jane transformed her life. Meet Jane, who struggled with chronic back pain and a chaotic schedule that made regular workouts seem impossible. By implementing strategic circuit training sessions focusing on posture correction, she discovered a game-changing solution. Her customized routine combined core strengthening exercises with cardiovascular bursts, perfectly fitting into unpredictable time slots throughout her day. The results were remarkable. Her back pain decreased by 40% in just 8 weeks, while her cardiovascular fitness measured by VO2 Max improved by 15%. The secret wasn't marathon gym sessions but consistent, targeted movements that addressed both posture and heart health simultaneously. Jane's success proved that even with a busy lifestyle, strategic exercise snippets could create significant health improvements. Could your posture problems be solved with just 20 minutes a day? Drop her below if you want to learn this workout routine.